In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console to a Hostinger website if you want Google to recognize your website properly and give you access to search performance data. One of the most important things you need to do is verify your site in Google Search Console. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do that using a TXT record inside your Hostinger account. This method is simple, reliable, and commonly used for domain verification. To begin, sign in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Domains section and open it. This is where you manage the domain settings for your website, including the DNS records that control how your domain connects to different services. After opening the correct domain, find the DNS management area. In Hostinger, this is the place where you can add, edit, or remove DNS records. You'll want to add a new record here because Google Search Console verifies ownership by asking you to place a specific TXT record on your domain. When you create the new record, choose TXT as the record type. This is important because Google's verification code must be added as a TXT record in order for the verification to work correctly. Next, in the name field, enter the @ symbol. This symbol represents the root domain, meaning the main version of your website domain, rather than a subdomain. Using the correct name here helps ensure that Google checks the right location for the verification record. Then, go to Google Search Console and copy the TXT verification code it provides for your domain. Return to Hostinger and paste that code into the TXT value field. Be careful to paste the code exactly as provided, without changing or deleting any characters, since even a small mistake can prevent verification from working. Once the code is in place, click Add Record to save it. After that, go back to Google Search Console and complete the verification step there. In some cases, verification works almost immediately, but sometimes DNS changes can take a little time to update. So if it doesn't verify right away, wait a bit and try again. That's it. By adding the TXT record in your Hostinger DNS settings and verifying it in Google Search Console, you connect your website to Google's search tools and unlock valuable insights about your site's visibility. Just make sure you save the record correctly and use the exact verification code provided by Google.